Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Brother Mike Prophet, man. Back again with another video as usual, man. Giving y'all the good content, man. If you are new to the channel, make sure you go and like or subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you hit that notification bell also so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. Watch my videos, man. Watch my videos. Like or subscribe. So we're in the town car, so you know that makes it a town car video. So what I'm giving y'all today, man, I'm giving y'all a comparison or a versus battle against against my muffler delete. And then also my muffler plus resonator delete. So I'm giving y'all that. And also I have a bone stock video as well. It's gonna be the first video clip that y'all see. It's quiet as hell, man. It's quiet. Like I couldn't even make no videos on it when I first got it. It's too quiet. It's embarrassing quiet. Unless you a grandma or something like that. Or a grandpa or grandma or something like that. But other than that, man, let's get into the video. So that is the end of the video, man. Let me know what y'all think. Which one was louder? Which one wasn't? My personal opinion, that Resonant Elite made a big difference. It's much louder. At the end of the video as well, I'll show you, at the end of that last clip, the last two clips that I show y'all, I'll show y'all the decibels. I forgot I could even download an app about that. But those decibels are completely accurate. I believe those decibels should be like at 100 and plus. So 97 was, as I put my phone closer to the exhaust, the decibels were louder. When I had it further away, it was reading like 93, 94, as you see. That was the first clip I showed you with the decibels. When I got it closer, which was the last clip, it showed 97.5 was the max that it'll peak out at. But I know it's peaking out at least at 100. I know that it's doing that. But other than that, man, let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. Mr. Brother Mike Prophet.